We've got several guest speakers today. Our first one is going to be Zone 2 Commander for the Illinois State Police, Captain Chris Endres. The next one is going to be Henry County State's Attorney, Catherine Runte. The third is going to be Knox County State's Attorney, Jeremy Carlin. And then we're going to have Knox County Sheriff David Clay speak. So with that, I'm going to turn this over to Captain Endres.
Good afternoon, everybody. On April 29th at approximately 8 a.m., Galesburg police officers responded to a 911 call of a suspect with a gun at the Circle K gas station on Main Street in Galesburg. Two Galesburg officers located the suspect vehicle and attempted to make a traffic stop. The suspect continued to drive and fled north on U.S. Highway 150. A Knox County deputy began setting up spike strips at the intersection of U.S. Highway 150 at 150th Avenue in Henry County when he was struck by the suspect vehicle. The suspect vehicle crashed in a field north of the intersection. Galesburg officers apprehended the suspect after a brief foot pursuit. Knox County Sheriff Dave Clegg requested the Illinois State Police Division of Criminal Investigation investigate the incident. Numerous law enforcement agencies assisted on scene, to include the Knox County Sheriff's Office, Galesburg PD, the Henry County Sheriff's Office, the Warren County Sheriff's Office, the McDonough County Sheriff's Office, the Fulton County Sheriff's Office, and the Kewanee and Geneseo Police Departments. The investigative team identified the suspect as Daylon K. Richardson, age 22, of Granite City, Illinois. Richardson had active warrants for unlawful possession of a weapon by a felon, aggravated fleeing and eluding, and crimes against persons mob action, all out of Southern Illinois. Investigators have completed processing the crime scene. We are currently interviewing witnesses, securing search warrants for additional evidence, and gathering public and police video recordings. The Illinois State Police is investigating this incident from start to finish to include any crimes which prompted the original 911 call. Sheriff, on behalf of Director Kelly, we extend our heartfelt prayers, support, and love to the Knox County deputy's family, his friends, and the Knox County Sheriff's Office. Catherine Runte from the Henry County State's Attorney's Office will address Mr. Richardson's initial criminal charges.
My name is Catherine Runte, and I am the state's attorney in Henry County. I have been in constant communication today with the Illinois State Police and the task force that they have assigned to this incident. Based on the information that I have learned from them, as well as my observations at the scene and the video that I have been able to review at this point, Mr. Richardson has been charged with 2 counts of murder, 1 count of unlawful possession of weapon by a felon, and 1 count of aggravated fleeing and eluding. He is currently being held in the Henry County Jail without bond. His preliminary hearing will be on May 9th at 2 o'clock. As more information becomes available from the investigation, additional charges will be considered.
My name is Jeremy Carlin. I'm the Knox County State's Attorney. Additional investigation is ongoing about the incidents and the events that occurred here in Knox County, including at the Circle K, the pursuit through Knox County up to Henry County, where ultimately the sheriff's deputy lost his life. As we obtain that information, we will be able to be in a good place to finalize the charges against Mr. Richardson We have evidence to believe at this time that shots were fired from the vehicle at the pursuing vehicle, at the pursuit, and so charges encompassing that behavior are expected. Now you'll hear from Knox County Sheriff David Clegg.
Hi, I'm David Clegg, Knox County Sheriff. I would like to express my deepest gratitude of the men and women of the Knox County Sheriff's Department. They are and will continue serving the county. I would like to thank all of the agencies that responded in need of help. There are too many to be named. I think the captain explained who they were at the beginning, but I cannot thank them enough. And lastly, the family. You now have a huge family consisting of law enforcement. We are there for you and will be there in the future. We are deeply saddened by this, and that family needs to understand that. We are saddened, not only as a small group here, but the communities. Our community should be very deeply saddened by this. Thank you.
And that concludes our conference that we're going to have this evening. I will let you all know that we will be sending out the press release shortly. That's going to have the intake photo of the suspect, along with the charges that have been updated. So, thank you all for coming out.